The Zhonggyuan Buddha, or better known in English as the Spring Temple Buddha, is a colossal statue depicting Vairocana Buddha. It is located in Faquen Temple in the Zheokan township of Lushan Country, Henan, in China. It was built in between the period of 1997 and 2008. The Spring Temple Buddha height measures 128 meters, 420 feet, excluding a 25 meters, 82 feet lotus throne that also houses a monastery. It is the second tallest statue in the world after the Statue of Unity in Gujarat, India, which surpassed it in 2018 with a height of 182 meters, 597 feet. Despite its towering height, this poised copper Buddha is comparatively not as well known throughout the world. Below the carved-out Buddha with a flower base, is two multi-storied seats called the Splendid Diamond Seat and the Sumeru Seat, which also add up to the Spring Temple Buddha's gigantic height. The Spring Temple Buddha statue was built with 180 kilograms of gold, 3,300 tons of copper alloy, and 1,500 tons of steel, covering a total area of more than 11,000 square feet. The copper being intricately layered over the statue, gives it the brilliant appeal that it is known for. This can easily be classified as yet another impressive feat of ancient architecture. Adding up to the beauty is the diamond seat below the Buddha, which is comprised of 6,666 smaller Buddha statues that lay beneath it. The diamond seat below the copper marvel holds the Buddhist sacred monastery, for people who come in search of eternal peace. The Chinese government designed the Buddha in a style called Vihara Maitreya, demonstrating the Buddha Maitreya as a teacher. While the statue itself is dedicated to Vairocana Buddha, who is widely considered the highest-ranking Buddha in the pantheon. The Spring Temple Buddha took its name from the nearby naturally occurring Xianru hot spring, which spurts out 65,000 gallons of water every day, that can be up to 60 degrees Celsius in temperature. The spring is widely considered by locals to have curative, medicinal properties, which fit with the healing spirituality of the entire site surrounding the Spring Temple Buddha. Mount Yao is the summit, on which the Spring Temple Buddha is situated. The mountain sits in the eastern area of the Funju Mountains, which are considered to be some of the most stunning natural wonders in the world. During ancient times, Mount Yao was called Mount Rao, and it later evolved into Ya. This location became recognized as the origin of the family name Lu, which later populated much of China, and the ancient Chinese thinker Mozi also resided here. During the 1950s, the mountain was renamed as Mount Shiren, but it changed back to Mount Yao in 2008. The Faquen Temple is situated near the Spring Temple Buddha, and it was built during the Tang Dynasty. More recently, the colossal bronze bell of good luck was installed inside the temple in 2000, and is currently the largest working bell in the entire world, measuring over 8 meters in height, and 5.1 meters in diameter. It is also the heaviest bell in the world, weighing 115,757 kilograms. Its shape is designed to fit with the Buddhist theme of the surrounding temple and statue, with 36 different lotus petal patterns adorning its surface. The first ringing of the bell took place at midnight, as 2000 became 2001, signaling the emergence of a new century. Since then, many tourists have trekked to this marvel in engineering to try out the bell for themselves.